So welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to do an internal reliability analysis on version 31 of SPSS. And to do this, we're going to calculate Cronbach's alpha, which is the most commonly used way of assessing internal reliability. So internal reliability refers to the idea that all of the items in a questionnaire usually are measuring the same thing. So for this example, we're going to take a look at the Beck depression inventory, so that's what BDI stands for here. So this questionnaire has 21 items, and essentially the analysis is going to tell us to what extent do those items all measure the same thing. So in this case, to what extent do those items all measure depression? So to do this, we're going to go up to Analyze, and then down to Scale, then across to Reliability Analysis, and then we're just going to transfer all of these items over to here. We're going to click on Statistics. I'm going to tick Scale if item deleted. So basically this is going to tell us whether we can improve the scale by removing one or more of the items. I'll then go to Continue and then to OK. So here already we can see that we have a Cronbach's alpha value of 0.977. So normally we consider a value above 0.7 to represent an acceptable level of internal reliability or consistency. So obviously this value here is substantially above 0.7, so it indicates that this measure has an excellent level of internal consistency. So if we look at this table here, and if we look at this Cronbach's alpha if item deleted column, we can see what would happen to this value here if we removed any one of these items from the measure. So we can see that in every case we have a value of 0.976 or 0.977. So removing any of these items wouldn't have a positive effect on this number. Usually it's advisable to keep items in if you can, as that would allow you to make comparisons between the results of your study and other studies that have used this measure using all of the items. However, if you saw that your Cronbach's alpha value was a little bit below 0.7, so it was just outside the acceptable range, and if you saw that removing one of these items would bring this value here above 0.7, then in that case you might consider removing one of these items. So that's essentially how we interpret the results of the Cronbach's alpha analysis. But let's just take a quick look at how we can report these results. So I've said that the Beck depression inventory had an acceptable level of internal reliability, and then I've just reported this alpha equals 0.98. So I'm just taking that value from here. So I've got 0.977 and I've rounded that to 2 decimal places. So that's about it for the reliability analysis or the internal reliability analysis on SPSS. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments and I'll try to get back to you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.